we get started for this activity, the only equipment we need are 10 paper plates. If you don't have paper plates, you could probably use regular blank paper. And then a Sharpie marker, so we could write the numbers on the back of these plates. Some tape, so that we can do a little modification of this game. And a electronic device, because we will be using a video that will be telling us what numbers to press on our keypad. So let's get started with writing the numbers on the back of these plates. We have our numbers written on the back of these paper plates, and now we'll set up our game before we get started. Alright, so I have my keypad laid out on the floor. I'll put a little picture of the keypad I use as a reference. Looks like our iPhone lock screen. So this is what my floor keypad looks like set up. So you can see we have the number 0 down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is our setup, and we'll get started with the game. I have my iPad with B-World Plays video of level 1 of Unlock My iPhone. When I press play, it would give some numbers, and our job is to touch all those numbers, come back, and then wait for the new set of numbers. You don't have to start in the sitting position. I'm just on the floor because I need to make sure I'm in frame. So let's get started. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1, 3, 8, 5. 8, 9, 9, 8. 5, 8, 3, 4. 2, 5, 8, 4. I just finished taping the paper plates to the wall. Just taped up the top. 1 through 3, 4 through 6, 7 through 9, and 0. So same idea this time, except we're going to be sitting and facing the keypad. So let's get that one started. Okay, so this is version 2 of the game with the modification of using our upper body and having the keypad against the wall. So ideally you want to be right in front of the keypad. However, for this video and for you guys to be able to see both the keypad, the activity, and myself, I'll be sitting at an angle. So same concept. We will be using our random number generator, and whatever number is up here, we'll go ahead and touch that plate. Alright, so let's do a few rounds of this. 6, 2, 6, 0. 8, 7, 6, 6. Let's see if I could use 2 hands this time. Will I be fast enough? Okay. 9, 6, 3, 3. Okay, that was easy. Let's do this one again. 9, 2, 2, 5. Did it. Okay. So that wraps up version 2. This is the only way to play this activity. You can get as creative as you want with this. Of course, you can bring in another family member to play with you, friends, make it a little competitive between everyone. So some ideas on that: you could still have the video playing, or you could pause the video where someone takes the time of the other person, and then you could compare who did this sequence the fastest. You could also incorporate math problems such as what's 9 plus 10? 19. You hit that. Or you could do other simple math problems such as 100 minus 10, you'll do 90. You could practice multiplication, 3 times 3, 9. Or you even could do division, 12 divided by 6, 2. So get creative with it, have a ton of fun, and thanks for watching.